Good morning, students. Standard 8th, Subject Maths, Chapter 14, Factorization. Now, next exercise is 14.3. You already remember all formulas, that is x plus b whole square, x minus b whole square, a square minus b square, and x plus a multiply x plus b. So first question, carry out of the following division. It means here first term divide by first term. So we have to take in fraction order and take the simplest form and our answer will come. So here first one is 28x raised to 4 divided by 56x. So we have to convert in fraction form. Then cut it, 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, and x raised to 4 in numerator and denominator in x raised to 1. So we have to take x raised to 4 minus 1. Already you have to learn in exponent and power and exponent. So directly you have to take 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, and x raised to 4 minus 1. So our answer is x cube divided by 2. Same as you have to split the terms, your answer will come. Same. Come to the question number 2. Divide the following polynomial by the given monomial. It means here 2 terms is given and divide by 1 term. First one, 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. In polynomial there are x variable is common in both. We have 2 times x is given and here 1 time x. So we have to take 1 time x common. And denominator 3x is given, so xx will cut. What is the answer? 5x minus 6 whole divided by 3. Same as second one, 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 4. Here 8 times, here y 6 times, and here y 4 times. So you have to take y raised to 4 common. Remaining is here y raised to 4, y raised to 2, and here only 5 coefficient. Divide by y raised to 4, y raised to 4, y raised to 4, directly cut it. Your answer will come. Same as third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Now come to the question number 3. Work out the following division. Now here first, same as question number 2, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So you have to take 5 coefficient common. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So directly you have to cut 5 5. Answer is 2x minus 5. Second one, 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. Now students, see here, in numerator there are 2 terms, it means polynomial, and in denominator there is again 2 terms, it means polynomial. Now in numerator 10x minus 25, here 10 and 25 both will come in table 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. So we have to take 5 common, 2x minus 5, and in denominator 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5, directly cut it. Answer is 5. Same as third one, you have to take common and cut it. Your answer came. Same as fourth one and fifth one. Now come to the question number 4. Divide as directed. You have to take polynomial divide by monomial or polynomial divide by polynomial, and then you can split it or directly cut it. So your answer will comes. Now here 5 multiply 2x plus 1 multiply 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Directly is given, directly you have to cut it, because here plus sign is not given, multiplication sign is given, so you have to cut it. Same as second one, directly you have to cut it. Your answer came. Same as fourth one and same as fifth one. Now come to the question number 5. In 5, factorize the expression and divide them as directed. Now students, here expression is given, so first of all you have to split it and then cut it. Y square plus 7y plus 10. So you have to split this expression, that is y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10. Because first term is a perfect square but last term is not a perfect square. So this is the equation of x plus a and x plus b. So 10, you have to split the 10 and 7. So 10 is 2 5s are 10 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So you have to take y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10. In these 2 terms y is common, and in these 2 terms 2 is common. So your first factor is y plus 5 and second factor is y plus 2. And in denominator y plus 5 is given. So y plus 5 is cut. Remaining answer is y plus 2. Same as number 2-1, you have to split the expression and then cut it. Same as third one, you have to split the expression and then cut it, and remaining is your answer. Same as fourth one, again you have to split the expression and then cut it, and your answer is came. Same as fifth one, sixth one, and same as is seventh one. You have to split the term, then cut it, and your answer is remaining. So students, here exercise 14.3 is over. Thank you.